Hello. What's up? Isn't this so nice? Oh my god. Shh. Nature is freaking amazing. That's pretty much all I had to say. I think I'm gonna make little videos throughout the day and then merge them all into one video. Dang. Oregon is so nice. Washington. I'm in Washington. But I think I'm gonna do like vlog type stuff. So I'll take little videos throughout the day and then I'll merge them all into one video and then I'll put it on YouTube. I don't know, should I put it on Facebook or YouTube? I don't know what works better. Maybe put it on YouTube and then share the link on Facebook. I don't know. I'm kind of just doing, like, making all these videos because, like, there's been some people who told me they really like it, and I know I have friends. I'm so bad at responding to messages and to calls and all that stuff, and I have people worried about me, so I'm letting people know that I'm doing good. I mean, how nice is this? Okay, I'm gonna go and I'll make a video later. Oh my god, I can't wait till you guys see the masks. The masks are freaking beautiful right now. Okay. Do you guys want to see what I made? Cool, right? Cool, right? What's up, you guys? I think that's always how I start these videos. I'm like, what's up, you guys? What's up, everyone? Hi. I'm going on a walk. Get that good lighting. Because I left some cheese in my brother's car and I want it. I'm craving it. Mostly because I made a fruit tray. Wait till you guys see this fruit tray that I made. I'm definitely gonna record it because it's beautiful. But I bought Baby Bell cheeses yesterday or 2 days ago, I don't know. And I left them in my little brother's car. And luckily it's cold enough outside that I know they're good, so I need it for the centerpiece of my fruit tray. Okay. People in these houses are like, who is this making this video outside? So I'll be back. All right, so I'm gonna try and make this quick because I'm almost out of battery. What did I do today? I was thinking about Boise's Next Drag Superstar all day because tonight was the finale and I got to watch it live because Lori recorded it. It looked so freaking good. I can't wait to get better video of it. I hate this yellow light behind me. I'm gonna turn that off. But I can't wait to get better video of Boise's Next Drag Superstar because it looked so good. And first of all, I want to congratulate Elle for winning. She's gonna be such a good drag superstar here in Boise. I'm so excited to see what she does with the title and just what she does. I'm excited to watch her performances. She also got me a gift. I'm excited to open it. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm excited. And then congrats to Nikki and Eartha. I'm so freaking proud of you both. Like, you guys deserve it. I know with both of you, a lot of the times you didn't believe in yourselves throughout the competition, but look at you now. You're going to Seattle, and I think that's so exciting. You guys did good, and you deserved it. And then Miss Rari, that trans flag that you had on the back of your dress looked so freaking good. It looked so chic. It looked legit. And then Vice, I saw some of your performance. Lori took one where you had like the short hair at first, then it was long like tinsel. The app that we were using, it kind of sucked. It's like not super clear, so I couldn't see everything that was going on. But Vice, congrats for being in the top 5. Your performance looked really cool, and I'm really excited to see it because during that part it was like too dark and I couldn't see what was going on. So I'm excited to see. Just everyone in that competition did so freaking good, and I'm so proud of everybody. I'm proud of the whole community. There was a lot of parts during the competition where they just really put emphasis on how much the Boise drag community, the Boise queer community, and even all the allies in the community, how amazing of a community it is and how much we stick up for each other. And it's just, I was blown away by the Boise queer community when I moved out there. Ooh, I almost dropped my phone. And I'm naked. I almost like dropped it right on my nakedness. So that would not have been good. But luckily you just got double chin. Now I'm like pretending like, look, I'm still cute, I promise. Oh my god, did I say I rode on my brother's motorcycle already? Because my brother took me on a ride of his motorcycle. It was scary, but I want to do it again because it was fun and thrilling. And then I went on the nicest hike today. And then I went and watched a movie, Captain Marvel, with my dad, my brother, and his girlfriend. It was, I don't know. I don't get super into superhero movies, so I don't know if I couldn't get into it. I needed to like leave the theater and take a break, because it's hard for me to sit down for a long time unless I'm like really entertained. Which is why drag, I can sit there and watch drag for all day. Anyway, I hope this like cropped video is better than just randomly posting craziness on Facebook. Have I shown you these? Guess how much these were on clearance for? Oh, that wasn't dramatic. Have you guessed yet? $1. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. I also bought this for my tattoo studio, but this was a lot more than $1. This was kind of expensive. After I bought it, I was like, oh, that was way more expensive than I thought. It didn't have a tag on it anywhere, and I was like, this can't be too expensive. They rung it up, and I was like, but I really wanted it. I think I'm gonna put it in my aquarium. I'm gonna see if the paint is safe first, but I'll put it in my aquarium for my fishy. I'll see if my fishy will swim in it. Okay, I'm going to bed.